Learn CAD in 1 minute. Today problem, a triangular plane figure of size 25 mm is resting on HP on one of its corners such that the surface of the lamina makes an angle 60 degree with HP if the side opposite the corner on which the lamina rests makes an angle of 30 degree with VP. Draw the top and front view in this position. So first we will take the first step data. So here we will take the resting condition, it is on HP and the shape is triangle and position is corner resting. And second step, it is surface inclination they given, that is 60 degree to HP. And third step, the side opposite to the corner on which it rests is inclined 30 degree to VP. Okay, coming to the first step, we have to take corner condition and we have to finish the front view. And second step, we have to take the surface inclination 60 degree and get the top view. And next, the side opposite BC is to be placed on inclined line 30 degree and get the final front view. This is how we need to solve this problem. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the video if you like.